We think na maliban sa mga police officials natin, kasi it's also former President Duterte who even included kahit yung AFP natin, may panahon din na yung AFP in-involved dun sa war on drugs. Kaya Mr. Chair, tingin natin ay meron ding mga tanong, no, na hindi lang yung mga agencies natin yung mga kasagot, pero mismo yung dating Pangulo din. Kaya in addition sa ating pagtingin din na dapat yung former PNP chief, si Ronald De La Rosa ay maimbitahan, tingin natin Mr. Chair timely din na si former President Rodrigo Duterte ay imbitahan din natin, no? Bilang siya din naman ay hindi incumbent official, isang civilian, and kung may mga dapat din siyang sagutin sa iba pang issue sa other committees, kahit dito din naman na siya talaga yung primary reference dun sa CMC. Yun lang Mr. Chair, thank you.
Thank you. So what I can promise Congressman Manuel is that we will be informing again Senator De La Rosa on the next hearing, and if you would like to attend, sabihin na natin doon, if you would like to come, you are welcome. We are also going to inform para sa ikagagalak ni Congressman Manuel, we're going to inform the former president on this hearing. Okay? Now, pag na-inform siya, nasa kanya na yun kung pupunta siya o hindi. But I would like to give full respect to the former president. Although he might not be tawag dito, exempt from this investigation. Yet, I think that we should give full respect to the former president, being a public official also. All right? So we are going to inform the former president on this.